Welcome to this special YouTube briefing on the impact of the winter storm that is currently moving across central and southeast Illinois. It's a rather large system, and as of this afternoon, a winter storm warning is in effect from northern Oklahoma through much of the Midwest into southern New England. In our local area, all of central Illinois is under a winter storm warning. As far as the weather that we're expecting over the next 12 hours, snow will be likely across much of the region. There will be a chance of some mixture with freezing rain across southern Illinois this evening. By tomorrow morning, the snow will start to move off toward the east, and snow will be diminishing to flurries across much of central Illinois. Winds will also be picking up Wednesday morning and blowing and drifting the snow that has fallen overnight. So the best chances of significant snow exist from northern Indiana across east central Illinois and then down I-72 into Springfield and Jacksonville. That is where there's a probability of 70 to 80% chance of 6 inches or more. The 50% chance line extends as far north as Peoria and as far south as Effingham. The most probable snowfall amounts are generally 6 to 9 inches from the Effingham area northward across all of central Illinois, with the highest amounts again extending from Danville, Champaign into the Decatur-Lincoln area, and finally into Springfield and into Jacksonville. Thanks for attending this weather briefing. Be sure and stay safe this evening and into the night as road conditions continue to deteriorate.